Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be Vlogmas number 4, I believe. I have been keeping up very low on these, but yeah. So today, I don't know what I'm going to do because it's a pretty cold day here and I'm kind of stuck in the house. I'm not really doing anything Christmassy, which is kind of why a lot of these haven't been going up. But yeah, we're kind of in the middle of Winter Storm Elliott right now. And it's really cold and really snowy and really windy outside, and I'll show you guys what that looks like in a second. That's kind of what it looks like outside. Ignore the TV in the background. You can kind of see there's some snow blowing around. It's kind of starting to like, I can't think of the word, but it's drifting in places. Yeah. And here's Scotchy taking a nap on my bed because it's so cold outside. So she came up to sleep on my blankets. Alright, Scotchy, what's the weather like today? She said it's cold and snowy. So it's been pretty cold and snowy for the last... So it's been pretty cold and snowy for the last probably 12-ish hours. I think it started snowing close to like 11 o'clock midnight last night. It did stop snowing for a little bit this morning. It's not snowing anymore. Most of the snow in the air has just been blown around. We got lucky because being in north central Ohio, we didn't get a lot of snow. We didn't get a lot of the actual blizzard conditions that northern Ohio has gotten, specifically northeast Ohio. We are also lucky we didn't have any power outages yet. It is only like 11:30 and it's going to be very windy the next couple days, so who knows. So we're lucky we still have power. We're lucky we still have... Our house is still in peace. Like, we haven't lost anything. Yeah, the roads are really bad right now. Like, people are out because they have to go to work, which I think is unfortunate that people still have to go to work today, even though it's like literal blizzard conditions almost. Yeah, like my dad had to go to work today, even though he does get off early today, but he still had to go to work and like drive basically in the dark. Well, it was really snowy and like snow was blowing and it was really cold, which, by the way, this is probably the coldest I've ever been in. It's currently, I think, well, it's currently -6 degrees out, but it feels like -30. I've never been in that cold of a condition before. I'm obviously not going outside because it's that cold, and as you can tell, I'm dressed up very warmly because it is very, very cold out. I haven't said that a lot already. I'll give you guys an update on what's going on, but for now, I think I'm pretty much done. It's... Update. It is currently 3:30 in the afternoon. My dad came home early and he brought home Taco Bell, so we had that for lunch. And I just finished up wrapping my mom's Christmas presents, and that's like the only Christmassy thing I'm doing today is wrapping Christmas presents. So yeah, and it's still cold out. It's mostly blowing snow now. The roads look really, really bad still, which our road never gets cleared. It won't be cleared at least for a few more days. But yeah, the snowplow just went by and it didn't really do anything. But that's really the main update, is that it's still really cold. It's still snowing. We do have a fire going in our fireplace, so at least that's helping keep the house warm, though it's still cold in my room because it's always cold in my room. But yeah, there really isn't much of an update now, but for the rest of the day I'm probably just gonna be putting together this video and watching YouTube. And right now on YouTube, I'm currently watching this thing. It's called, I don't know, it's called Evolution of Cinema. It's very interesting actually, because I know a lot of the movies in it and I'm familiar with at least some of the scenes in the movies. So yeah, that's really all I'm doing right now. So here's where I'm going to end my vlog. We survived Winter Storm Elliott and with power and minimal damage to our house. So we're lucky in that. My heart goes out to anybody who's lost their power or has a lot of damage. Also, my heart goes out to the people who are still dealing with the blizzard conditions, as I know that those are going to continue throughout the night for some places. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!